Shakira worked out that her ex Gerard Piqué was allegedly cheating after she found her strawberry jam eaten in their fridge when she returned from traveling, according to reports. The Colombian singer, 45, and Piqué, 35, separated last summer and have recently been embroiled in a bitter spat, which is believed to be due to the Barcelona footballer's relationship with Clara Chia, 23. The new couple have been together since last October. It is rumored that Gerard and Clara began their relationship before his marriage to Shakira ended, and, since the two announced their split, rumors have circulated about Piqué's alleged infidelity. Mum of two Shakira herself has alluded to the alleged adultery in her music, and more recently in her video for Te Felicito. In the video, Shakira opens a refrigerator and finds the head of the song's collaborator, Rauw Alejandro, with fans deducing that she found the truth in the fridge. And now, it's been reported that that was the case with Shakira returning home from traveling to find an empty jam jar, despite neither Piqué nor her kids liking the preserve, according to multiple South American news outlets. Show News Today reports allegations that it was unlikely that the jam would have been eaten by Piqué, as he apparently does not like jam, and so she deduced that he was cheating. Shakira and Gerard ended their relationship in May last year after 11 years, and Shakira was reportedly planning a move this month with the couple's 2 children to Miami away from her ex-partner. However, due to Shakira's 91-year-old dad being hospitalized in Barcelona, the move is understood to have been paused. Meanwhile, Shakira's bitter battle with her partner Piqué and his new lover has been the inspiration for a new revenge song, according to sources. Shakira, 45, has taken a swing at her footballer ex and his new 23-year-old girlfriend Clara Chia in her new song. Harsh Spanish lyrics when translated to English call out her ex's behavior, particularly as it is rumored Gerard and Clara began before his marriage to Shakira ended. The superstar has however enjoyed the last laugh in her war of words with Gerard after earning a huge amount of cash from her revenge song. Shakira referenced her ex's relationship in her new song called BZRP Music Sessions Volume 53. Piqué has mocked the lyrics with a series of publicity stunts, although Shakira won't be too concerned after the song went viral on YouTube, Spotify and other platforms.